Welcome to the ultimate guide to losing weight with a gluten-free diet. Are you struggling to lose weight and manage your celiac disease or gluten intolerance? Going gluten-free may be the solution you're looking for. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about a gluten-free diet and how it can help you lose weight. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the benefits of a gluten-free diet, let's start with the basics. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. It's what gives bread its chewy texture and pizza dough its stretchy quality. For people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance, consuming gluten can cause an immune response that damages the small intestine. This can lead to symptoms like abdominal pain, bloating, diarrhea, and fatigue. But, did you know that going gluten-free can also help you lose weight? Studies have shown that a gluten-free diet can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation, both of which can contribute to weight loss. Additionally, gluten-free diets tend to be lower in carbohydrates, which can also aid in weight loss. So, how can you get started with a gluten-free lifestyle? Here are some tips. Read labels carefully. Many foods contain hidden sources of gluten, so it's essential to read labels carefully. Look for products that are certified gluten-free. Focus on whole foods, fresh fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and fish are all naturally gluten-free. By focusing on whole foods, you'll avoid processed foods that often contain gluten. Experiment with gluten-free grains. There are many gluten-free grains to choose from, including quinoa, brown rice, and buckwheat. These grains can be used in place of wheat, barley, and rye in many recipes. Try gluten-free recipes. There are many delicious gluten-free recipes to try, from gluten-free pizza to gluten-free muffins. Experiment with new recipes to find your favorites. Consult with a registered dietitian. A registered dietitian can help you plan a well-balanced, gluten-free diet that meets your nutritional needs. That's it for the ultimate guide to losing weight with a gluten-free diet. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, going gluten-free can be a healthy and delicious way to manage your celiac disease or gluten intolerance and help you achieve your weight loss goals. If you have any comment, then leave it below in comment section. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more update like this. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in next video.